Hello, this is Dave, and welcome to Equity Story. I hope you're well and had a good weekend. And what I'd like to say, this is obviously just general share advice and not personal, as per the disclaimer you can read here. Very, very good. Um, just have a quick look at some stocks, and I've got some trending stocks now. Now, Wolfie's away. He's having a little rest. Poor little soul. He's gone for a little walk around the country and look for his rocks. That's his only escape from Equity Story if he finds the big golden nugget. So let's hope he doesn't find that, because that's the last thing we'd really want, isn't it? Um, but the charts again doing it for us here at Equity Story. And some good announcements today. GTK earnings upgrade, strong earnings upgrade. Everything's looking pretty good outlook now for next year and a half, and bang, up 26%. So congratulations if you're in that. If you are in it and you're doing really well and you're up 25%, you can take a few chips off the table if you wanted. It's your choice. But I think, generally speaking, what you might find that this will come down a little bit. It's had a big, it's a big gap up. I wouldn't be buying it yet, but certainly you'd be looking to hold it. At the end of the day, as we always say, you want to be holding upgrades because they tend to go higher and higher and higher. And congratulations to the team at GTK. But again, the chart's really giving us a clue what's happening. TYR takeover offer isn't going to happen. It's down 17%. Absolute disaster. It's amazing, isn't it? Charts, always showing us the way. DKM had some, nickel results, pretty good, but at the end of the day, I felt they're pretty deep. I had a look at them, they're 700 meters deep, one of them. I don't know. So, and the chart's saying the same thing. It's saying, I don't really know. It's undecided. So for me, it's not trending, and I wouldn't be buying it. New Hope Coal, I thought came out with good announcement, and actually, they're not getting as, I think they're 38% price that they're getting less for their coal. I totally understand why they're below trend, but you're still getting a fairly decent price. They've said that they're buying a lot of stock. They're holding they haven't said they're holding a dividend, but they expect to keep paying a reasonably good dividend. So I'd expect it to be really strong. And again, you're watching the coal price really strongly. If coal can have another run, you'd definitely be getting in. So I'd be playing it by the charts, and if this can jump over trend, I'd be having a look at it. And the market reasonably liking the announcement today. Um, CAE, again, some pretty good copper shows, not too bad at all. Would I be buying this? No, it's below trend, and it's a little bit too early for us in the story. What I really wanted to concentrate today was the hot stocks, and good to see some of the hot stocks from last week. I actually put four. We went lithium because we could see the move in lithium, and we had a great little move really with one or two of those lithium plays. I think one's at 30%, which is that C1X. Thank you, Wayne. So some of those lithium plays looking fairly good, and certainly, hopefully, some of all you traders out there, hopefully making some money out of them. We went for the hot stock T&E today. Now, there's a risk event there. They are announcing tomorrow. We're hoping that they had a reasonably good announcement, actually. A reasonably good announcement in February with some pretty positive outlook, and we're hoping that carries on. And the chart's looking good, and fingers crossed this will be a good hot stock for us. But do understand there is a little bit, there is risk there because they are announcing tomorrow, and who knows? At the end of the day, you never really know what they're going to announce. It's just really gut feeling. It's going to be a good one, and we can have a good trend on this one. It is a company that's delivered on the SX for a long time. Good to see as well. PSI, some of these insurance companies looking really good. Holding trend, and some of I think the better potential trades, and IAG as well. Look at that breakout, biggest breakout for 52 weeks. So 52 weeks highs, looking extremely good. One I quite liked as well was little Min. It's sketchy. It's not really trending, but I'm just wondering, with all is this a forgotten lithium play that hasn't had its move with iron ore back above 100? Maybe I should let it have a little bit more, get it over 78. But I think well worth, if it's good risk reward, you could buy it. If it went under 70, 74 you could get out, but I think there's potential this could have a little bit of a move up to 80 or maybe 85. Pretty quick, actually. That's all I've got to talk about today. It's apart from those few announcements, it's fairly quiet. I think just to recap, those trends, the ones that we like is certainly XRO as well. You're not too late to get into the story. It could come back down to 105. Or my gut feeling, it's going to hold around here. I still think it's not too late to buy this stock. I still think, if you want to target that 120, 130, it's still a trade. So PSI, IAG, XRO, TNE, the hot stock, some ideas for you there. Min could be very good. I think SDF, like I said, solid little trending business, delivering. I've got no issues with that one either. So some ideas there for you for Monday morning. A little bit more on the trending side with the wolf away, but hopefully you have a good week. And remember, the trend is your friend. On that note, thank you for listening to Equity Story. Bye bye.